G'day guys and welcome back to another episode. What you'll see behind me here in this big window is our ensuite. Behind that at the moment we've got our plumbers in there fitting off, so they're putting in things like our basins, our taps, toilets and all those bits and pieces. So you'll see that in the episode. They're going to be fitting off the kitchen, all the bathrooms and doing things like the gas, any other tidy up to the storm water, external hose, cocks and tap. And then once they're done, we're pretty close to then ready for paint, some floor coverings and jobs almost ready to be completed. So we're on the home stretch. Anyway, enjoy the video guys. You'll see some of that work taking place. And then, yeah, come back and show you some more action. All right, look at this. We've got our plumbers here about to put the bath in. I'll do a little bit of a flashback to when they were here digging in the ground, putting some of these pipes in. But yeah, you can see it's coming to a finished bathroom now. So exciting to see the bath go in and some of this fit off. Our old plumbers, like doctors. You know the old joke? They both bury their mistakes. But plumbers have a bigger tax return than a doctor, so there you go. More dollars on their tax return, I should say. Charge like wounded bulls. Isn't that right?
The hornets, aren't we?
Isn't that right?